Hi, alright, my name is Tommy, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about JointRestore Gummies before buying. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I have a very important alert to tell. First, I want to say that JointRestore Gummies is not found in pharmacies or in the Amazon. It is sold only on the official website of the product. I will leave the link at the official website of JointRestore Gummies just below the description. JointRestore Gummies offers a natural solution for joint pain and stiffness. These gums support joint health and mobility for athletes, professionals and active individuals. Key ingredients include glucosamine for healthy cartilage, chondroitin for joint flexibility, MSM for reduced inflammation, and turmeric extract for pain relief. Benefits: JointRestore Gummies provides lasting relief, improves flexibility, supports joint repair, and improves mobility for an active lifestyle. Use and safety host: take 2 gummies a day with a meal. Consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Customer testimonial: share from satisfied customers about their positive experiences with JointRestore Gummies. Access the link in the description. JointRestore Gummies is a game changer for joint health. Experience the benefits and recover your life without pain. Try JointRestore Gummies today.